How to send the audio file on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to send audio file on Instagram. Now, there's no such direct way of sending audio file on Instagram. However, to do this procedure or to send MP3 audio file on Instagram, you need to use the third-party application. So for that, you need to exit out of your Instagram and then open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in tmp or tempfile.org. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. And then right on this page, you'll be able to see this interface where you need to choose a file. So this particular website is gonna convert your file to a link. So you have to first thing choose a file. So click on it and then select media pictures, and then go to the audio files from the top and select the audio that you wish to convert it to a link or that you wish to send it. Once you've done selecting the audio, then click on upload located right at the bottom. It's gonna take a while, just wait patiently until you are proceeded to the next step. Once it has been upgraded, now you can either download the following link or you can copy the link by tapping on the link. So when you actually tap on the link, it's going to direct you to the page where you can actually listen the audio, or you can just long press on the following link and click on copy link text. After the link has been copied, you can exit out of the following website and then go ahead and log in into your Instagram and just locate the user to whom you actually wish to send it. So tap on it and then tap on the link and click the send button. As you've done that, you've successfully sent the audio file on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.